Cooking methods and utensils. You can use a knife and a chopping board to slice a cucumber. To dice bell peppers or capsicum. And finely chop an onion or fresh herbs. Are you having pasta? You might need a grater to grate cheese. You can use a peeler to peel potatoes. Peel apples with a knife. Peel bananas and tangerines with your fingers. A colander can be used to wash vegetables. Serving salads, you might need a salad bowl and salad servers to toss all the ingredients together. In order to boil water, put a kettle on the stove top or cooktop. You need a wok to make a stir fry. And a pan to fry eggs. An oven can be used to roast meat, poultry, and vegetables. Or bake fish, seafood, bread, pastry, cake, cookies, and dishes such as pizza, lasagna, or casserole. Love baking desserts? You will need a baking pan, a fine mesh sieve to sift flour, a wooden spoon, oven mittens, whisk, mixing bowl, rolling pin, measuring cups and spoons, and so on. Many cultures prefer the flavorful taste and tenderness of the meat that has been braised. This cooking technique requires a covered pot for slow cooking. Dumplings are usually steamed in bamboo steamers and are eaten with chopsticks. Grilling meat on a barbecue is the perfect way to enjoy a Sunday with family and friends. You can blend fruits and vegetables to make smoothies in a blender, and grind pepper in a grinder or pepper mill. A mortar and pestle can be used to grind and crush herbs and spices.